Mastering Everyday English. Mow the Lawn explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of a common English phrase, mow the lawn. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English skills, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Mow the lawn refers to the action of cutting the grass in a garden or yard to keep it short and neat. The word mow here means to cut down or trim, especially grass or grain, using a machine or a tool. The lawn is an area of ground covered in short, evenly cut grass. The term mow originates from the Old English word mawan, which means to cut down grass or crops. The concept of a lawn, as we know it, became popular in Europe during the Middle Ages. Hence, mow the lawn has been a part of the English language for centuries, evolving in use as lawns became a common feature in homes. Let's see how mow the lawn is used in everyday conversation. 1. I need to mow the lawn this weekend. It's getting too long. 2. My neighbor mows his lawn every Friday. 3. Can you help me mow the lawn tomorrow? Notice how the phrase is often used to describe a routine or a task that needs to be done regularly. In many cultures, particularly in suburban areas, having a neatly mowed lawn is seen as a sign of a well-maintained home. Therefore, the phrase, mow the lawn, can sometimes go beyond its literal meaning to imply taking care of one's living space or being responsible for household chores. Thank you for watching our video on Mow the Lawn. We hope this has helped clarify the meaning and usage of this common phrase in English. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the little details. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.